Dear student, in the lecture of haloalkane and haloarenes, today we will discuss the nature of CX bond and method of preparation haloalkanes. So now discuss nature of CX bond. Dear student, the nature of CX bond. Dear student, in CX here carbon and halogen join with the single bond. Okay student? Dear student, but you know that the electronegativity, that is En means electronegativity of carbon is less than halogen. Electronegativity of carbon is less than halogen. Dear student, therefore, due to high electronegativity of halogen, the electron movement takes place towards the halogen. Therefore, halogens get delta minus and carbon get delta plus. Okay, student? Due to high electronegativity, the movement of electron takes place toward the halogen. The halogen is also known as leaving group. Dear student, here fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine are the halogens. But as the size increase, fluorine to chlorine, bromine and then iodine, the size of iodine is greater than the size of bromine, chlorine and fluorine. Due to larger size, they leave easily. Iodine leave easily, so it is known as best leaving group. The best leaving group is iodine. Yes, student, iodine is a best leaving group because due to their larger size and due to high electronegativity, it has dipole minus. Due to less electronegativity of carbon, it has dipole plus. Due to high electronegativity, dipole movement take place towards the halogen. Okay, student. Now discuss the method of preparation. Method of preparations of haloalkane. Dear student, the first method is from alcohol. Dear student, there are three types of alcohol: 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol and 3 degree alcohol. How to distinguish 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol? Dear student, alcohol which contain only one carbon group chain is known as 1 degree alcohol. But alcohol which contain more than one carbon chain like this is known as 2 degree alcohol, and alcohol which contain 3 carbon chain, 3 alkyl group is known as 3 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol, that is primary alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, that is secondary alcohol, here 3 degree alcohol, that is tertiary alcohol. Here 3 type of alcohol. Dear student, when alcohol react with the HCl in presence of zinc chloride as a catalyst, they produce from OH, from alcohol OH and from ACDH, they react with each other and form water, and the remains chlorine ions join with the alkyl group and form RCl, that is haloalkane. Haloalkane. Dear student, but you always remember that there are here ZnCl2 as a catalyst. ZnCl2 is a catalyst. It is not required. It is not required. Where is required? Where is not required? Dear student, it is required with primary and secondary alcohol. When a reaction take place for 1 degree and 2 degree alcohol, then you write always ZnCl2. But a reaction but with the tertiary alcohol ZnCl2 is not required. Yes student, in this reaction you write ZnCl2 on the arrow of reaction only when here primary alcohol and secondary alcohol, but in case of tertiary alcohol ZnCl2 is not required. The reaction take place in case of tertiary alcohol when you take tertiary alcohol, mix HCl and shake it, the reaction is complete. But in case of primary and secondary alcohol, you dissolve in it HCl and shake, reaction is not complete, because the reaction only complete in presence of the catalyst due to less reactivity of primary and secondary alcohol. Okay student, so always remember that reaction of alcohol with HCl, reaction of primary alcohol and secondary alcohol with HCl take place in presence of catalyst, that is ZnCl2, but reaction of tertiary alcohol with HCl do not required of ZnCl2 as a catalyst, because the reactivity of tertiary alcohol is very high as compared to primary and secondary alcohol. Okay student, now discuss other point. Dear student, here are reactions in which ROH alcohol, here the alcohol, and we take sodium bromide in presence of sulfuric acid. Dear student, here from sodium bromide we are joined with the R, that is it convert into sodium alkyl bromide, that is haloalkane. Dear student, here halogen carry from sodium bromide, metal bromide, okay, and it convert into sodium convert into NaHSO4, because acid lose the hydrogen from acid, H plus from acid react with the OH and convert into water, and the remaining HSO4 minus react with the Na plus and convert into NaHSO4. Okay student, and the H plus react with the OH, convert into H2O. Okay. Dear student, in this reaction, here 3 ROH react with the PCl3 and convert into 3 RX plus H3PO3. Dear student, at the place of Cl, you take always Cl or Br. Okay student. Dear student, in this reaction, like here we write here as a like here phosphorus joined with the 3 chlorine, that is PCl3. With PCl3, here 3 ROH, 1 first, second ROH and third ROH react with this in this manner. Dear student, from ROH R react with the Cl of phosphorus PCl3 and convert into RCl here, and also RCl here form RCl. So the number of RCl 1, 2, 3 RCl are formed. 3 RCl are formed, or you say that here 3 RCl or 3 X. Here X is the Cl or Br. Okay student, and number of hydrogen here 1, 2, 3 hydrogen and 1, 2, 3 oxygen and 1 phosphorus. 1, 2, 3 oxygen here and 1 phosphorus is here, and 1, 2, 3 oxygen is here, that is phosphoric acid. Yes student, this is the method of preparation of RH from alcohol with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. Okay student, now discuss here. We use phosphorus pentachloride and react with the alcohol. Dear student, when you take ROH with PCl5, they react in this manner. Here PCl5P 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Cl and 1 ROH. Here we presented ROH. Dear student, from R and PCl here form RCl, and hydrogen of alcohol react with the chlorine of phosphorus and form HCl, and the remaining part is phosphorus, 1 phosphorus and 1 oxygen here, and 1, 2, 3 chlorine. So POCl3. Okay student, Dear student, here ROH react with SOCl2. SOCl2 in this manner. Here the formula of SOCl2, the representation structure of SOCl2, dear student, here SOCl, SOCl2. Dear student, here ROH, that is alcohol. Dear student, alcohol, from alcohol alkyl react with the halogens of SOCl2, and the hydrogen of alcohol react with the Cl of SOCl2 and form RCl and HCl. Here RCl and HCl. The remaining part is SOCl2. So we write here SO2. Okay, student. RCl here, HCl is here, SO2. Okay, student. Dear student, in this reaction, RCl, SO2 is gas, and hydrochloric acid is also gas. Dear student, in this reaction, RCl is the main product, but SO2 and HCl is a byproduct. Dear student, if in a reaction byproduct is gas, then the reaction is known as best method of preparation of product. Okay, student. So in this reaction byproduct is gas, so we say that it is the best method of preparation alkyl halide from alcohol. Because in this reaction separation of RCl is very easy, because they all, like SO2 and HCl, disappear from the mixture. Okay, student. So it is the best method of preparation RCl from the alcohol. Okay, student. There is another method, that is the preparation of alkyl halide by free radical halogenation. Dear student, you always remember free radical halogenation take place in presence of sunlight or ultraviolet light. Always remember, the reactions of free radical reaction take place in presence of high temperature, ultraviolet rays, sunlight, HNU energy. Okay, student. Here ultraviolet light is present. So this reaction, the method of this reaction, the breaking of the bond, is the free radical halogenation reaction. Dear student, in this reaction, halogen substitute the hydrogen from the alkyl. Here the alkane chain, and here the chlorine. Chlorine substitute the hydrogen from their compound and form 1 degree halides and 2 degree halides. Dear student, in this example, we observe here the compound form, the halide form is 1 degree and 2 degree. But in this reaction, both compounds are the liquid, not a gas. So they make the product complex, and it is the difficult to separation of this compound as compared to this. So it is not a best method to preparations alkyl halide, because they form a complex and complicated compound which are not easy, which are difficult to separation. Okay, student. This student, in next lecture we will discuss other method of preparation alkyl halide. Please take a screenshot of given contents on the whiteboard and write down in your notebook. Thank you very much.